called the north end. That's the pavilion end. We're on the south or commentary end. Sanjay is a pretty clever bowler, plenty of experience. But of course, when you run into somebody as unorthodox as Manoj Tiwari, you never know. And of course, when you run into somebody as strong as Aditya Ojha, well, then a lot of arms could get a little stiff while bowling. But yeah, it's a pretty good start. Great start, matter of fact. Even if you consider those 3 wickets gone, if you didn't know that they went in succession, 83 for 3, you'd take it any time at the end of 10 overs. One man, Manoj Tiwari, the skipper, batting on 49, sitting on what will be a memorable 50 in front of his home crowd. Their first match here in Ranchi. Clubs that, but straight to extra cover.
That was a loose delivery to start with. Sanjay Narwekar. I've been a fan of his acting. Yes, it has the legs. That's about it. 1-4. He's reached his half century in style, and to the delight of thousands of his supporters who have come in to support him and his team, Bhojpuri Dabangs.
The opposition also applauds, and so does Ritesh. Quick hug to Manoj Tiwari. Well played, skipper. Unorthodox. In fact, that the shot that got him the 50 also was just clubbed past backward point. And he soaks it in. Thousands of supporters here at the Jharkhand State Cricket Association Stadium. It's new. It's a lovely stadium. Well, if Aditya Ojha gets used to, well, I suppose the pitch and the pace and so on and so forth, we could be in for a treat. I think I'm repeating myself. Let's see.
Charu, you're doing your best to put the commentator's curse.
True. Well, Manoj lucky to get away. He's been completely unafraid playing the ball in the air, and more often than not, because of the kind of swing that he has with his hands, the ball will squirt onto the offside. He's just been very lucky in the first 6 overs that they couldn't place too many fielders there. They would be kicking themselves. Now they know that should be an extra man in covers. Got too close to the ball, Ojha.
Came down the track, was looking for a big one. Got too close, as you rightly said. Eleventh over coming to an end. One more delivery, one more legitimate delivery left. An unorthodox Tiwari is on strike, who has just compiled a good 50, a good half century. It's another unorthodox kind of shot for a single. Good diving stop. 90 for 3 after 11.
I'm here on the field in Ranchi at the cricket stadium, and I've got with me somebody who is very nervous, very excited. What are you feeling right now, Paki Hegde?
Mixed feelings!
Oh! Okay, now she has 103 fever at the moment as we speak, and you're still dancing. You are the face of the Bhojpuri Dabangs.
Yeah.
And what does this feel like today?
This is like feeling on the top of the world, you know, because I have basically had this team last year. It's only 6 months that I had time to groom them, to get them on field. And you see them, first match rocked, second match we won, third match is on, and we're gonna rock this match too.
And this match has more meaning for y'all because this is your home ground.
Yes, for sure. Ranchi is our home ground. We have all the people here to support us this time. Kerala, Kochi was the ground where we were like waiting for people to cheer us up. We were the only ones, our team. And now it's
House full.
House full, house packed. Whoa!
All right, well, tell us a little bit about your captain, Manoj Tiwari. He's got a 55.
Manoj Tiwari's already got a 55. He's a good batsman. We have well-trained batsmen in our team. Though they've been all actors, they've been groomed now to play such well cricket. You see them. We have Ajay, we have Uttam, we have this bombshell here, Aditya, number 7.
Bombshell.
Yes. Yeah, he is.
Which one is your favorite in this whole team?
There are actually, I can't be partial to anybody. There are so many of them who've been playing good cricket. So I like Aditya, I like Uttam, I like Dinesh ji. He's damn good. Wow!
Now, I also know that you have starred in 45 Bhojpuri films.
Yes.
And you've starred in 40 of them with the same actor.
Lal Yadav. That's the chemistry we share on screen. I'm paired against him most of my films, even in Rama Naidu sir's film right now.
Oh, there we are. Hello.
Whoa! We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
All right. Any last words for your fans?
ढेर ना उड़ा दे मैच देखत रहिया लोग और धमाल करत रहिया अच्छी मैच खेलेंगे अच्छे रन्स निकालेंगे और यहाँ से जाके मेरा लक्ष्य जहाँ पे मैं वहाँ पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी नहीं तो फिर सब आउट हो जाएंगे ना भाग रहे
Thank you so much, Paki. Over to you guys in the comm box.
Very excited. Understandably so. The team is doing well. We can't have a yes or no situation. No team wants to run out at any stage. And that is a wide. You've got to run anyway, Manoj. Yeah, just a nod of the head saying, yeah. We figured it out. Still going at 8.5. Started out very well because the field restrictions were in place. They've carried on pretty well. Straight through, over the bowler and maximum. A clean, neat 6. Hit by the man in form, the skipper. Can do no wrong today.
Top shot from a top batsman in top form. His ways may be different, but is very, very effective. Look at that shot. And boom shaka wow wow moment for Manoj Tiwari and for Bhojpuri Dabangs. The Axe girls are dancing, and so is the spaceman. And the keeper has gone back now. He's going to bowl a bouncer. Well, he did telegraph his feelings even before he started his run-up.
Well, he's bowled quite a few short deliveries, and that's not such a bad ploy because I think you mentioned it with somebody else earlier on who every time they bowl short outside off, normally you'd expect plenty of runs, but he's been getting a fair lift, Siddharth Mule, and they've been largely dot balls or maybe just a single to third man.
And the quickest of them all, 109.4, as compared to his one ball was at 90. So he's mixing it up nicely, and if you pitch it short, you need skill to deal with these short pitch deliveries going through your chin height. Not everyone is equipped to play the horizontal bat shots efficiently.
Well, they've got that right, the Veer Marathis. And once again it eludes Ritesh Deshmukh, I think it was, at backward point. And he continues to ride on his luck, Manoj Tiwari. 12 gone, 104 for 3. Mahendra Singh Dhoni's parents, Dhoni Senior. Great to see him here supporting the Celebrity Cricket League Season 3, brought to you by Kalyan Jewellers and, of course, Panasonic. Well, your son today scored double century.